friends, Mr. Wheeler here. Okay, let's see. What are we going to have you guys do today? Because I know that you guys are already behaving, that you're already doing your schoolwork well, that you are listening to your parents, that you're being nice to your siblings, right? Yes, 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 Mr. Wheeler. Okay, good. All right. Now that you guys are doing all that, let's have you, you know what you should do? You guys should go and learn a new word today. Yeah, go learn a new word today. That'll be fun. Go maybe ask your parents. Go look in a dictionary. You can just open up a dictionary. Go look up on the internet, like new words for kids or something like that. Yeah, go learn a new word today. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. Okay. So, with that, Mr. Wheeler is going to try a new trick today. This is kind of cool. So this is a picture of Harambini the Gorillagician and Reginald the mind-reading rubber chicken. I'm going to do something kind of funny. There's an idea in magic that you can. One of the beautiful things about magic is that things that are broken, right? Like right now, there's a lot of stuff that's broken, but things that are broken, all right. Like maybe if we were to take this nice picture and we were to tear it, right? Take this beautifully nice picture and we were to tear it. Just like that. And maybe then we were to take that part that we tore and tear it again. Tear it again. All right? Into 4 separate pieces. Now, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4 pieces of paper. Now, what if I could take these pieces in my hand and I could fix them right in front of your eyes, right? What if I could take all of these pieces in my hand, wave my hand over the top of them, and I could just fix those pieces of paper. Let's see, right here. Just like, okay, what if I could put the pieces of paper back together? I guess that's not fixed, but hey, the pieces of paper are back together. They're just kind of mismatched. All right, guys, that's kind of a silly trick. I hope you guys are having a good day. Yeah, man, do I miss you guys. The world's just not the same when I don't get to see my friends. But hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are being safe. Please, please, please be kind to your parents. And yeah, go learn a new word today. All right, guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day!